Jack here, and I've got with me the RackPath 1U blank rack mount panel spacer with venting for server rack enclosures, network cabinets, or audio racks. This is the black color, it's the 1U size, and it is a 2-pack, so you get 2 vented spacers. Inside the package are the 2 spacers, 2 sets of rack screws with a few extra if you need them. There's also a little instruction manual, although I have to say installing these is about as simple as it gets. So I bought these spacers because I have a certain piece of audio hardware that requests that it has a space of air gap above it, as the device may overheat. So I'm going to install this in the rack above that unit and give you an idea of what it looks like. Before I do that, just take a look at the design and detail on here. All of the cuts and etchings are smooth. There's no jagged edges. The finish is consistent throughout. Nothing is bent or out of place, and everything looks really nicely constructed. Here we are at the audio rack. This is the unit that requires the space of air gap above it. So we're going to take this vented spacer and install it above that unit. I'm just going to slide it into the slot, like so. And then you can either put 4 screws, one on either corner, but a lot of the times for these lighter pieces, I just use 2 screws, one on the top corner and then one on the bottom corner of the other side, and I feel like that's more than sufficient. And there you have it. Nice. Thanks for watching.